When you're in a zit crisis, this is what I do. First things first, go into a mirror, get real close to it, and try and pop that sucker.
No, that's not what we're supposed to do.
This is what I like to do. We're back again with the beauty talk. Olivia here. I'm here. Let's do this. Shout out to Marie Claire. We're doing a mask Q&A. Let's rip it.
Mask first. Like away from your eyes. This is my life in quarantine. Walk us through your morning skincare routine.
I wake up. I roll out of my bed. I go to my bathroom. I brush my teeth. That's always step number one. Take some water. I splash it. Wake myself up a little bit. Then I get my my caffeinated eye serum. I dot it on there. I take my double serum.
Yep.
I pat it on there. And then after that, I get my moisturizer. I pat that on there. And depends if I'm going to be outside a bunch, I put some sunscreen on. So yeah.
Sunscreen always.
I got a little routine actually now. Ever since I did my first little beauty thing with you, I've kind of stayed with it.
I actually don't like to wash my face in the morning because I feel like all the natural oils are healthy. I always use like a vitamin C, vitamin E serum, and then I'm just like really big on SPF during the day. That's like the most important thing in skincare routine, I think. Mm-hmm. All-time favorite serum.
My favorite one is probably the Clarins double serum. Yeah. It's also the only one I've ever used. So
it's a good one though.
So yeah, she trusts it, so I trust her, so that's why I use it.
What is your all-time favorite SPF?
My all-time favorite SPF? I don't know. I don't know any of the SPFs. Yeah. Usually it's just whatever's on the boat is what I use. I need to start wearing more SPF. When I was a kid, I didn't wear a bunch.
I use Clarins a lot. It's SPF 50. But some like CVS or Dwayne Reed is the Neutrogena stick one is really good. That's SPF 70, I think.
When I was in New York one time, and I went and bought some stuff, and it did not blend at all. And I had no idea.
You got like zinc or something?
Yeah, and I had white all over my face, and I walked around New York City all day like that.
That's so bad.
Yeah, it was not good looking.
Tinted moisturizer or foundation?
I like to use a nice foundation before I apply.
Full coverage?
Yeah, full coverage, because I feel you gotta have one that sticks. You need a foundation that sticks.
All day long.
Yeah, so that I have no concerns, and then once it sticks well, then you put, something over it, and then you put the next thing over that, and then you get to your mascara.
Lightweight moisturizer or heavyweight moisturizer?
Definitely a lightweight moisturizer kind of guy, can't you tell?
Yeah, and I feel like with oily skin that you have, it's better to have a lightweight one, but I have really dry skin, so I like very heavy moisturizer.
Gotcha. Skincare minimalist or maximumist? Growing up, I was like, skincare, sunscreen, like, nah, the girls use that stuff, but I learned like those are my own mistakes. Like I've damaged my skin so much, and I think guys like in the locker room playing college football, we started just talking about using lotion, and now I started to have conversations with my friends about using hair products, stuff for our skin to make our skin look better and feel better, because we want to look good when we're 35, 45. Yeah. I think it's cool like that, you brought me into this world and I've learned so much, and I want to keep growing in this world because there's a lot to learn and a lot to to do to keep my skin looking young and feeling young.
Yeah, dry, oily, or combination skin?
I think it depends on kind of what soap I use. Sometimes the soap will really dry me out, and then I'll have really dry skin, and then sometimes I won't use that soap or something, I'll get really oily skin. I hate when my skin gets dry though. That's the most irritating thing. Yeah. Balm or lip gloss? Which one tastes better?
You can get a flavor of both.
Wow. So whatever tastes good. When do you feel the most beautiful, Olivia?
Probably after my skincare routine. I'm like glowing, and my hair's done, my eyebrows are done. I'm living, baby.
When I feel the most beautiful is after a really good workout. I've sweated a bunch, I took a fresh shower, and I come out. You just feel so confident, you feel so motivated. Yeah. Like that's when I feel at my best. That's when I feel like I look good. I'm in the mirror. I'm like, okay, and like that's what gets me going. You know what I mean?
Look good, feel good.
Exactly. You look good, feel good, look good. Who is your go-to facialist and esthetician? Mine is this lady named Dahlia. Shout out to Dahlia. She's in the Upper East Side, New York. She kind of put me on game. She told me, what products to use. She did this one thing where they take the blood.
Oh, the vampire facial?
They do the vampire facial on me. All right, well that is it. The masks are off. How you feeling?
Awesome, very moisturized, very clean.
Good. I'm feeling great. My mask is off. I should probably do this more often because I feel like I've the cleanest I've felt in probably 5 days.
I do have a little.
Whatever, I'll get it later. Go beauty.
goes right. This.
Are you still filming us?